This one is serrated.
Serrated.
And this is a round leaf.
Round leaf.
And that is how each ant knows its role.
Hello there. Feathers are messages from the sky, little one.
It's so pretty.
It's so sweet.
The finest honey in the meadow for my favorite princess.
Every splash tells a story.
Who were you?
By looking at the depth and the distance between the marks, we can read the story of who passed by.
Even the sky teaches.
A keen eye and a curious heart. You truly are the princess of this forest now.
I love it.